video walkthrough of a top floor, 1-bedroom split. On the Alston Brighton border. So as soon as we walk in, we have this nice foyer. You can see hardwood floors throughout. We have a bathroom, clawfoot tub, shower, window right there with frosted glass pane. All right, toilet. Okay, so back into the hallway and one of the 2 rooms. So you could use this as your bedroom or your living room. Pretty good sized windows. All right, radiator, little socket right there, over there, and over there. All right. One thing to note, there was no closet in this room. I believe there is, yep, a closet in this room. All right. Couple of windows. All right. Facing the same side as the other room. Okay, radiator. And there's another closet right over here. Okay, a little bit shallow, but still pretty wide. All right, and then we have the kitchen, linoleum floors, small gas stove, cabinets up top, cabinets below, sink. You got your fridge right here. I believe the microwave will be staying. All right, a window right there. There is laundry on site in the basement in the rear. Heat and hot water are included. And yeah, if you have any more questions, reach out to Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour.